What's up, guys? The truck's been sitting all winter, haven't done anything to it. You may have noticed I did take the fender flares off though since last time. I want to do a little paint work on the rockers and stuff, but I've been procrastinating that. So I decided to change up the exhaust again. So you went with the center exit exhaust last time. It was quick and easy, cheap, did it myself, just for something to do, something different. So decided to go back with a more traditional exhaust that comes out about right here. So I'll show you what I got. So I wanted to get just like a 3-inch straight pipe, or even like a 3.5-inch straight pipe. Couldn't really find like a kit to do that. So I ended up with a eBay kit. It's actually 409 stainless, so it's not really high quality stainless, but it is mandrel bent. So this is separate. I got that separate from eBay as well. That was like 80 bucks. And this is a Catback system that I got on eBay. It's actually for regular cab long bed, and it comes with this muffler, which I'm not going to use, and this 4-inch rolled edge tip, which I'm not going to use as well, since I got this other tip here, as you see. Alright, so here's what I'm hoping is going to happen. As you can see here, this kit is for a regular cab long bed. As you can see, this is a regular cab short bed. So what I'm going to do is hopefully take this muffler out, and then hopefully it's close enough to make it work. I might have to add a little piece of pipe in there, but not sure yet. Once I get the old exhaust off and get that flange bolted up to know where it ends up. But hopefully that's my plan. Need to have this high point pretty much right over the axle, or as close as possible, and then obviously just put my tip on there. So it did come with one hanger already on it, and I already know it's not going to work since this is for a long bed. My hanger is going to end up somewhere around here, so I'm going to have to do all the hangers myself pretty much, which is not too hard. Alright, I got the old exhaust off. If you haven't seen my other videos, it's a Borla XR1. And I did the custom tailpipe with the center exit. So I got the new exhaust mocked up here, sitting on a chair there. And then I got the front flange in place, and then I found out I'm going to need about maybe a 6 or 7 inch piece. Get that welded in there, and it should be all I need to do. Thought it would work maybe without adding a piece, but gonna have to add a piece. Get a little idea what it's gonna look like there. Obviously, tip's not gonna stick out that far, but you'll see the finished product. Alright, there's my custom 3-inch Catback straight pipe. Obviously, I'm gonna clamp the tip on after I put it back on. Just got done welding it up. There's my little piece I added. I'm gonna paint all the welds with this stuff. Held up pretty good on my other truck, so should look pretty good. All done, just gotta paint it and bolt it up. Alright, here it is one more time before I throw it back in. Pretty happy with it, came out really nice. Welds are decent. Got it all painted up. Just want to show one more before and after here. Just wanted a nice clean 3-inch straight pipe from the Catback. So here's the before, just to give you an idea. Kind of cobbled together a little piece of the OEM pipe there yet. So pretty ugly. It's going to clean it up really nice. Give it a little more aggressive tone again. Alright, here's the finished product. Finished up last night. It was dark out, so I didn't film anything. But I did already hear it, and I think it sounds really, really good. So I'll set the camera up here in a little bit, but just as a reminder, if you haven't seen this truck before, it does have the stock manifolds, stock cats. So it's just a 3-inch Catback straight pipe. So I'll start it up now, a cold start. I rolled it out this morning so I can get a true cold start. And then I'll let it warm up, do a warm start after that. Alright, got some warmth in it. Pretty much warmed up. Give it a few revs here, but there's the idle. Got that growl back to it without a muffler. I think it sounds really, really good. These trucks sound really good without a muffler as long as you leave the stock cats, in my opinion. Give it a few revs here. There you go, there's what it sounds like. I think it sounds really good. I'm gonna let it burn off some of that new pipe smell here a little bit more. Hopefully I get some driving footage in the next little while, but for now that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. I think it sounds really good. Thanks for watching.